the sun goes down in my heart and the loneliness appears.
Staring at the tapestry above the bed you gave me, I still haven't washed my sheets, 'cause
hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's videos. Today I'll be showing you guys 5 amazing breakfasts that I have been eating for my weight. Okay, so these are my ingredients. I had 2 eggs, spinach, and the rest of the ingredients which I'll be calling along the line. So in a pan, you heat up your oil. I'm going to be adding in my onions and green pepper, sausages, and also the carrot right there. Okay, so this is what I'll be doing, adding in everything as I go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give the video a huge massive thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you have not, shared with comment. This spinach is going to be the last thing I'll add in today's recipe. So this really is an amazing breakfast idea. You should give it a try. Okay, it's really filling when you eat this. Like when you have this kind of breakfast, you'll be filled. All right, so I discovered this breakfast by myself and I decided to share it with you all on what I eat as I'm still trying to maintain my weight and also lose weight and also build muscle. Yes, so this is what the veggies is looking like, and I've already added in my egg and the spinach. Then I'm going to be adding in this Lebanese bread. Okay, I'm going to use it. It's going to be like an egg roll. All right, so this Lebanese bread is going to be on top of it. Then I'll allow it to cook for a little bit while pressing it so that it's the bread and the egg can match together. Then I flip it over and to give you something like this that looks like a frittata. Then I'll still take it back again into the pan and I will roll it as I go.
With her, but she's not here. I remember those times between us that seemed so far from today, but they're all that I have to cling to. And so when I get to feeling this,
and this is what the inside looks like. This tasted so amazing, like literally it tasted so delicious. Let me know if you're going to be giving this a try. Okay, I had this with my green tea without sugar, and this filled me up till around the kind 4 before I had another thing to eat. Yes, it's really filling. It has fiber, it has protein inside, and it has carbohydrate. So a little bit of carbohydrate because of the bread, and the fiber, okay, because of the spinach, and the protein again because of the egg. So this is another recipe which I'll be doing is oatmeal pancake, but this one I added in apple inside the pancake. Okay, so I added oatmeal, egg, and a little bit of milk with yogurt. Then I'm adding in my apple. I'm sliding it little by little just so that like it will be a little bit crunchy inside. So as you're eating the pancake, you're eating something crunchy inside. I don't put sugar inside my pancake, and I also added vanilla extract inside. So I mix everything together and in a pan put a little bit of oil, then you fry.
this way, I extract the sweet from the sorrow, pretend to dwell back in yesterday, so I can taste her love. Her love's what I need to complete these daydreams, my daydreams, by the bay, by the bay. In those days before her journey to her meeting with the Lord, right here by this water, and we touch.
This tasted so amazing. It was crunchy inside because of the apple. The apple was half cooked. I enjoyed this with my green tea. And guys, this is another breakfast idea you need to try. This is a yogurt bowl. So I have Greek yogurt. I'm going to add in some bananas and apple and coconut and this my tropical this thing. Okay, this I'm going to be adding it inside. Then I added chai seed as well. So anytime I buy Greek yogurt, I always mix it before I scoop anyone to have or to eat. So anytime you buy a Greek yogurt, always mix everything together. Okay, so I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. Then I'll add all my own ingredients inside, and this tasted so good. Like when I say so good, I mean so good. Very, very crunchy because of all the ingredients I added inside. Really, really crunchy. It's good for breakfast. It's good for snack time. Like if you want to snack on something, and you don't want to have all this junky, you can snack on this. Okay, it's a very, very healthy option.
An uncommon hood with the love of life all around us, sharing ocean, sand, and sky. We would take what life had to offer, but those days are gone. Sometimes I still cry. Then I extract the sweet from the sorrow, pretend to dwell back in yesterday, so I can taste her love. Her love's what I need to complete these daydreams, my daydreams by the bay, by the bay.
As I look out to the sea, still wondering why the Lord had to steal her. Now I can feel her, 'cause she's not here.
This was so yummy and delicious. Let me know if you're going to be trying this out. Please give the video a huge massive thumbs up if you watched this extent. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section which of these breakfast idea you're going to try and which one is your favorite and which one have you tried before.
She's not here right now.
Still breathing with me,
Still breathing with me.
yeah. So I extract the sweet from the sorrow, pretend to dwell back in yesterday, so I can taste her love. Her love's what I need to complete these daydreams, my daydreams by the bay, by the bay,
By the bay.
when the sun goes.
Here's another breakfast idea you need to try. Is a smoothie. I'm going to add 2 bananas, half apple, some mango, and I'll be adding dates. Okay, this is dates. I'll add this inside as well with my Greek yogurt. So we're going to move on to the blender. In the blender, I am going to add all my own ingredients. I also added chai seed as well. I love chai seed a lot. Chai seed is high in fiber and omega-3 fatty acid. Okay, so which is good for hair, weight loss, and has lots of amazing goodness. Okay, so I'm just going to be adding all these inside my jar. You can take this before your workout or after workout. Okay, on this particular day, it was a Saturday, so I did not do workout, so I was craving something to drink instead of eating food, so I decided to do this smoothie, and it was really, really filling. Like I drank this in the morning and I ate late in the afternoon. That's how filling this smoothie was for me.
Sun goes down in my heart by the bay.
unless I forget, I added in oatmeal as well. So I added in 1/4 cup of oatmeal. So love, I had to soak the dates so that it will be soft. So when blending it, it's not going to spoil my blender. So this is what this smoothie looks like. This tasted so amazing, so good, so filling. This is filled with amazing benefit that's gonna nourish your whole body. Okay, so let me know if you're gonna be giving this a try. Chicken all seasoned. I've seasoned the chicken. This is our greens, onions. I'm going to be adding carrots and what do you call this one again? Yeah. Cabbage, because I don't have either I don't have spinach in the house. And here is my mixture. I mixed this one, ketchup, yogurt, bama, and salt and black pepper and paprika. So this is what we are having for breakfast. This is my chicken wrap. Since I morning, so I want to make breakfast. This breakfast recipe are breakfast ideas you should try. Okay, if you are trying to lose weight, one, and if you're trying to maintain your weight. So these are the breakfast recipe I have been eating. Can you get quiet? I'll show you. I have been eating and it has been amazing. So this particular one I'm making for the whole family. So I want to eat it, but I need to make for the whole family. And you guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This recipe was from Annie Krieger channel. She made the chicken wrap. I tried it previously. Amazing. I have been eating it ever since then. So I am making it again in this video. So this video is all about different breakfast recipe you should try if you're trying to lose weight or if you are trying to maintain your weight. So this is my sous chef onion soup. So anyway, let me start by cooking the chicken, because from her she started making the chicken first before doing the veggies.
When the sun goes down in my heart and the loneliness appears, when I feel inclined to make sweet love with her, but she's not here, I remember those times between us that seem so far from today, but they're all that I have.
Supposed to add cheese, but I don't have cheese. So one thing I would say is use what you have in your house. You are craving for something and you want to eat that thing, and you have a little bit of the ingredients, just use it. So I'm going to mix everything together, sure. Here is the chicken and the peas. I say peas. Chicken and the green pepper. So I'm going to be mixing this one together inside. Let me just do it this way. It's much easier since I'm doing for a plenty batch. It's easier for me this way
to cling to. And so when I get to feeling this way, I extract the sweet from the sorrow, pretend to dwell back in yesterday, so I can taste her love. Her love's what I need to. Complete these daydreams, my daydreams, by the bay, by